Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss how to repeat header in each page using Excel, and this is a very easy operation, and I am making video on the request of one of my subscriber. So let me discuss the issue, then we can find the solution. Basically this is Excel sheet, and here you can see there is many data. If you are going to print this, that is not possible to print each and every data in within a single page. So we need 2 or 3 pages to print this data, and suppose there are many data, then you are going to take more page. Then what is issue if you are going to print this? So this is basically header. Okay, in second page your header is not present, or in third page your header is not present. But if you want to do that, if you are going to take print of this page, and so you want to header each and every page, then how you can do this? So firstly let me show you current scenario. When just press Control P, so we can open in a print preview and we can see exact what is problem. So just wait. So here you can see this is print preview of that page, and this is first page. Okay, when you are moving towards second page, so in second page you can see there is no any header. Also in third page there is no any header. So if you want to that there should be header each and every page, then how you can do this? So let me open the that Excel file again, and this is Excel file which I have opened. Then how you can implement this to repeat header each and every page? And this is very simple way, only is hardly take few seconds to do this. So just let the open the Excel sheet, then we can proceed. Only what you have to do, just I am going to show you only one step, and only you have to follow that step, then you can do this. Okay, so this is file, and what you have to do, you have to click on the page layout. Click on page layout. In page layout, here you can see print title. Okay, so click on this, and now you have to select that row which you want to appear on each and every page, each and every page. Suppose so here you want to print this header, then what you have to do, click on here, okay, and select this row, okay, and again click on here and make it okay. And there is also other setting you can do this. Okay, if you want to represent this column in every page, then also you can do. So now we have implemented this functionality. Now check this is going to work or not. So Control P and just take in print preview page. So this is first page, there is a header. Now move towards second page. In second page also you can see header. Now click on third page, here you also can see the header. So this is very simple way. By using that way you can repeat header in each and every page easily by within few seconds. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.